guys, Cliff here. I've just connected up the aileron servos and I'm just fitting the undercarriage legs. That's where you join me. What do you do with the wheel? So let's get you a little bit closer. So that one goes in there. Just put the wheel on with a collet. That goes in there. That one goes in there. Final assembly like this is great, isn't it? Curious to see what the final all up weight's going to be. Plans say 4 to 4.5 pound. That's IC, of course, with a tank of fuel. It's going to weigh quite a bit, no doubt about it. Haven't tried to save weight anywhere, no reason to. Nice and tight. And there goes in there. That's the wing finished. Undercarriage on, aileron servos connected, trim tape on, fair weight. Now it's time to fit the motor. And ESC. Now that's going to go in there. Okay, that was easy. Yes, now the undercarriage leg, that's going to go in there, connect up to the controller there, and one collet on the top. I think this was the correct size Allen key. So I've put the ESC roughly in place where it's going to sit. The wires curling around there quite nicely. If I find them in the way of the battery, I'll have to put them inside the cowling. And the front wheel is now connected up and on. So that's done. And the next job will be to find a receiver and fit it, and I've still got to glue the cockpit on, but I'm putting that off because it's handy to put the plane upside down occasionally on this support. So it's coming along. Just taking a quick break, and I'll just film the trees for a second. Look, it's a lovely windy day. Now get your head out of the way, Cliff. I can't see the trees. There we go. I like that one there, it's wobbling around a bit. Anyway, I'm only 5 minutes from my workshop, so let's get back there and finish the installation. Right, so I'm just put some double-sided tape on the back of the ESC, which is a 60 amp XP2 Overlander. It will take quite a few more lipos than I'm going to put through it. I've only got 3S, but I could put a 4S through it. I've got some 4S batteries, and the motor will also take 4S. Let's see what that one is. T3548005 will take 2 to 4 lipo. So I think I shall have a good setup here. So I've just put some super glue on the inside of the bolster to give it a hard finish. And I'll peel the tape off and pop the ESC in place. I've placed the receiver just there for the time being. I need an extension on the ESC just to pop it. I reckon it'll sit in behind down there really nice. So, but just for the minute it can sit there. It's just in a bit of pipe lagging. This stuff with a bit of tape around it, and it's sort of a tight fit in there. So I wanted to leave enough gap for the air to get out, but I don't want to block it too much. So I'm going to put the wing back on, turn it over, and see exactly how the battery is now going to sit, now that that's in a place. Right, I'm thinking that maybe this build is now pretty much finished, guys. There's a little bit of sunshine. I'm just going to pop outside and see if I can taxi it around the garden. But I'll just turn the plane onto you for a minute, and you can see what's what. I've got a 4S battery here. I thought I'd pop in as well. That sits in there really nicely, actually. Let's just connect her up and see what we get. I've made an adapter plug from XP90 to 60. I've now put the pop on as well, so I'm going to be ultra careful with what I'm doing. The safety is on. Right, 4S. I'll show you what I've done here. I've got ailerons. Oops. Ailerons, elevator, and rudder. Plenty of throw. And back to aileron and motor. Actually, I've not run it with the prop on, so this is the first time with the prop on. Exciting. She's working. Everything's glued on, just a pilot to sort out. But I'll take it out on the grass now, and we'll see how it taxis. Got plenty of throw, but I've got some Expo in there as well. Got steerable nose wheel on it. Let's just drive it towards there, away from it. I think the prop's quite low, so I might skim some grass here. Okay, let's open her up. But it steers nicely. Just goes to show how rough the grass is. Cutting the grass. Let's do that again. Well, look at that. Model aeroplane. Just give it some welly there a minute. Anyhow, there it is. We've got one Kamco Kavalier ready to fly. Looking resplendent actually, I think, the sunshine. Let's take a picture, shall we? Are you a happy bird? Yes, you're a happy bird. That's you, Jeff. She's a happy bird. Wow, now all we've got to do is wait for lockdown to be finished and we can maiden her. It's looking very nice.